back working. So once you mix everything up until it's smooth, you should end up with a mixture that looks something like this. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna place some sauce in my mason jars. If you don't have any mason jars, you can use whatever you have. Even if you had some old sauce jars or anything, you can reuse that, wash it out, and reuse it. So you should end up with something like that. I'm gonna pour it in here and show you what it should look like once you get it out the blender. Okay, so once you're pour it inside your jars or whatever you want to, this is what it should look like. You want to taste it? How it tastes? It's good. Okay, see you next time. Okay, what I did is clean my chicken thighs, and basically what I'm going to show you how to do is season your chicken for the barbecue sauce that we made earlier. So I'm using some garlic salt. Garlic powder, black pepper, chopped onion, lemon pepper, garlic pepper, garlic salt, and seasoning. So what you're going to do, once you put all your seasonings on there, mix it all in together. Make sure you have your seasoning all over your chicken. And I do use complete seasoning. So sprinkle a little of that. And that's about it. And then you want to, even though I'm putting this chicken on the grill, I still want to add some buttermilk because it tenderizes the meat, and you're going to let that sit overnight. And I only have the Winn-Dixie brand buttermilk. And then you mix it all in and you're done. See you later.